morning, Year 2. It is Tuesday, the 9th of February 2021, and it's time for our comprehension. So, today, if you're looking at this video, you'll be following the Year 1 comprehension book, okay? Year 1 comprehension book. And today we're looking at page 23. 23. Let's see what we're doing. So today, can I understand and read a menu? A menu. So I've got some questions here. What is a menu? Have a think. Where would we find a menu? What's a menu for? What would be on a menu? Where would we find a menu? So tell your grown-up what a menu is and where you think you'd find one. Have a little discussion. Okay, so a menu is something you would find in a restaurant or in a fast food outlet, and it gives us information of what food that they sell, doesn't it? It gives them what food that they sell. So we are going to read the menu, page 23. Okay, read the menu, page 23. So let's have a look. Here's the menu. Mrs. O'Keefe's got an example here. Can you all see that? Okay, and it normally has starters. That might be something little that we eat before we have our main meal. So sometimes you might find that there's soup or pate. Mrs. O'Keefe loves to have the melon if I'm going to have a starter. Then you would have a main dish or a main dinner, the main bit of your meal. So that might be chicken and chips, it could be a curry, all depends on where you're going to for your meal. And then after, we have the best bit, the desserts. And on desserts, we might have ice cream, chocolate cake. Have a think about what things you'd like to see on a menu. What would be your starter? What would be your main? And what would be your dessert? Here's another menu. This one you might be familiar with. And this one we find outside. And it's normally got a big plastic covering over the top. Big plastic covering over the top. And it's a menu. And the menu for McDonald's. So we have lots of choice on a menu at McDonald's. So they have sandwiches, they have wraps, they have different meals you can buy. They have a saver menu, they've got their drinks, they've got their puddings, they've got a breakfast menu. So they've got a really big menu. And remember, a menu tells us what things we can have when we go to these establishments. So, page 23 in your book, it says, write 3 main courses and write 3 puddings. Now, main courses, we've already said that's our main bit of our meal, the big bit of our meal. And this says puddings. So together, we're going to read these words and say whether they're a main course or a pudding. Let's read the first one. Chips. Would we eat chips for our dinner, for our main, or would we have it for a dessert, for pudding? That's right, we would have chips for a main course. Let's look at the next one. Oh, split diagram in here. Cake. Would you have cake for a main course or a pudding for dessert? That's right, we'd have it for a pudding. Let's look at this one. Ice cream. We would find ice cream as a pudding. I know my children love mint chocolate chip ice cream. Let's look at the next one. Burger. We would have a burger for main course, wouldn't we? A burger. The next one. Hot dog. Hot dog. we would have hot dog for our main course. The last one, donut. Donut. Where would you have a donut? Would you have it for your main course or for your pudding? I'd have it for my pudding, for my dessert. So, what you need to do is read the menu from the Hungry Horse Cafe, and you've got to read all of these words and put 3 for the main course and 3 for the puddings. And I'll give you a clue. The ones that we have just done on the board. So if you pause this video, you'll be able to copy them in there. Then it says, what is the name of the cafe? Now on a menu, you always find the name of the establishment or the place that you're eating in at the top, okay? So that's where you will find that information. And then it says, draw your favourite food in the box. Have a think, what would I draw in that box? I think Mrs. O'Keefe's favourite meal is a roast beef dinner. I love a roast beef dinner with roast potatoes and a Yorkshire pudding. So I think I draw that, okay? Then have a go at writing what your favourite meal is there. Then, if you do that, you think, wow, that was fun, want to carry on. Got a challenge. Mrs. O'Keefe's challenge. Who's this lady here? Can we remember? She cooks our dinner at school every day. And it's Cook Jenny, isn't it? Cook Jenny. And we need to help Cook Jenny because Cook Jenny says, can you help her to write a new menu for Sandon? So on your whiteboard, or if you've got a plain piece of paper and your pencils, you can write Sandon menu at the top. And then you're going to have a go at writing our very own dinners out for school. So you can write what you'd like for your main course, what you would like for a dessert, and then email them in and I can share them with Cook Jenny and we can see if she can go with one of our choices. Okay, you two. Can't wait to see it. Bye.